So here we go, never mind all of this messing about, check it out man, I mean you can't beat that for a bloody permanent camp stove. So we're going to leave that here today, and we're going to cover it up, we're going to camo it up, nobody will ever know that it's here, and if you, I'll try and give you a bit of a profile, it's actually built into the bottom of this kind of hill. Like I say, once we've covered that job up there, ain't nobody going to be finding it. And this is our little campsite. So after all the looking, all the searching, this little spot that brought us to here is just peachy. It's just a sweet spot, like middle of nowhere, because you're quite deep into the valley that we're in. You don't really tend to get anyone. And although we've heard the odd person in the distance over that way somewhere with dogs, we still haven't seen a soul. Awesome. And look at that brew on. There you go. Brew time, ladies and gents. Look at that. Brew. Awesome. So there you go. We've got the camp going. Got the furnace going. Got the hammock set up. And that's it. So this is going to be the spot for any future wild camps, I think, if I'm going to go anywhere. There's no point running about because this place isn't far. Well, there you go. Look at that. Roaring. Absolutely roaring. Take a little wander with the brew. Let's have a gander and go down river. Check it out because it is quite nice. So this is where we're at. Now again guys, I've said it before, I'll say it again, my camera work's not going to be amazing. I'm using my phone at the moment, I'm actually using my pad. But it's enough to give you an idea. So here we go. So I was just down here a minute ago washing my mess tin up after we've had a cook and a bit of scrap. And this is where we're at. It's a gorgeous little spot. So we've got us brew, we've got us campsite over yonder there, you can just see Nick in the distance and a tiny little bit of smoke. And I mean obviously even from over here there's a path kind of behind me. So like I say, I think we're pretty well covered, truth be told. So there you go. This is going to be our wild campsite. I know a lot of people have got their regular spots. Now, I know that there's one called Camp Shaky. I actually asked somebody why is it called Camp Shaky, and they said, well, because somebody's always got hold of the camera and they're shaking a lot. Somebody in particular, and I was like, yeah, that makes sense, sounds like me, that bloody shaky. Do you know what I mean? But obviously Camp Shaky's already taken, so we need a name for this. So I'm not quite sure what we're going to call it yet. I don't know, I shall definitely have to think on that one, I think. I really don't know what we should call it. I think, I'll tell you what, here we go. What about the film Carry On Camping? We should call it Camp Carry On. As in keep calm and carry on. keep calm, keep bushcrafting, do you know what I mean? So there you go. Camp carry on. Yeah, Nick, I was just saying on the video there, I've just showed him a little bit of the old camp there, and I said, everyone's got their own names for campsites, so we should have a little name for this. And I was just thinking, do you ever watch the Carry On films? You remember Carry On Camping? Why don't we just call this Camp Carry On? Well, yeah, carry on, carry out, all the rest of it. So there you go. So there's us camping, it's cracking. But even from just over yonder at the river, to be fair, you couldn't see us. I was just stood over by the river there, looking back with a video, and you could just see you kind of stood up near the fire. Couldn't really see that much else. So it's definitely a canny little spot, this, like, there's definitely nothing wrong with this place. But there you go, so we're giving you a quick look there anyway, so I shall leave you there, and I'll see you all in a bit.